Hey everybody. So I got this rectangular piece of paper here with A, B, C, and D. Then I created the square cutouts by creating a perpendicular bisector for each angle, and then plotting a point here. Then I use parallel and perpendicular lines to create each of these squares to make them congruent. So you can drag this point E here. This will make the cutouts larger in the corners, and then A, B, and C you can drag to change the shape, the size of the rectangular piece of paper that you'd be using for your box. And I mean, the best way to use this to find the largest volume or the maximum volume would be to set your outside boundaries to wherever you wanted them to be, and then you would you could play with your squares in here to see what size cutout would give you the maximum or volume here by adding up all the areas of these polygons that I've created in the middle here. I couldn't figure out how to do a volume, so